Good morning, welcome to Universal Containers once again on this nice sunny winter's November day. We're going to show you one of our recently converted shipping containers. You've probably seen wagons with curtain sides mounted to the side of the trailer and stuff. You used to be able to get shipping containers that had it as well, but they're just hard to come by nowadays. Right, before we open it up, I'll quickly show you guys inside it. So as you can see, obviously a big open space for them large items. Fully sealed tracks. We've got a pelmet on the outside, so you can tell that everything's 100% waterproof as well. We even obviously put a hose pipe on it, done a hose pipe test, and not a drip. Bit of maintenance, every now and then you're going to have to get some WD-40 inside the track, just every 6 months or so, just to wet your whistle. Wet your whistle. Don't know why I said that.
He wets his whistle.
Yeah, so just loosening off myself and me before I loosen this. Here we go. Just a case of, I mean, self-explanatory, you can see it yourself. Just loosen the ratchet, it simply drops off away from the angle. This is obviously dual purpose, so we can open it from the right or open it from the left. So, mad for it here at Universal. Loosen these ratchet straps that are welded to the container doors or the front wall on the other end. Loosen that. You can feel already it's starting to open. About 6 foot down. Make a start. Oh, that's not undone. Undo that. I mean, you can see how easy that is. There you go. I mean, you can see we took the full side out of this container and there's no bow or anything in the roof. We've had to make sure it's structurally sound, and we put a heavy duty box section in the rail to beef it up. Just imagine what you can get inside this now.
There's so much space.
Obviously, it's a bit easier to close because you don't have to do it in sections. You can literally just grab the end piece, like taking your dog for a walk. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.